So, hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is you versus them energy check-in for you guys, current energy check-in, like for from your side, from their side, and where this connection is heading right now at this present moment. Okay, there's no time limit to this. There's no time, what we could say time. Okay, time span. Okay, so it is just current energy check-in, and I'm just checking my new I don't know what we call it. Anyway, Mike. So yeah, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Virgo, let's see on your side what we have. It's just current energy checking. Your side, their side, where this connection is heading at this present moment. Let's see. Okay, Virgo, from your side we have the Two of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Justice. Okay. Either you have options or you are trying to keep your options open, and you are in this energy of slowly but surely opening up your energies to different people, different situations, different connections, different things, because you feel right now you're not very sure about a particular person or situation. So you feel, let's move on towards other people, other situation, other connections, and let's find out the right person, the right energy that's meant for me, that's meant for you, not for me. I'm talking on your behalf. So, Virgo, you are just trying to do the right thing here. You are just trying to do the justice here with yourself, with your energies, with your love life. You are in this energy of not in any kind of rush when it comes to your love and relationship area. You think, okay, whatever is meant for me will eventually stick around to me, around with me. If it is, and whatever is not meant for me, eventually it will leave. So you're right now definitely in this energy of keeping your options open, keeping your energies open to new people, new situation, new connections, but taking things really very slow, not rushing towards anything or anyone. Meanwhile, you are waiting for somebody else, someone specific also to show up or to come back around, so that you are not going to be with somebody else when they are going to show up. It's like you opening up your energies to new people, new connections, but simultaneously waiting for someone specific or something specific, something, some kind of specific kind of energy to show up in your life. Slowly you are moving forward, very slowly, because you feel like this is the right thing to do, not to rush towards anything or anyone, not to be in a relationship just like that, not to be in a connection just like that. Take your time, understand what you want, understand what you feel, and then move forward slowly and surely, right? Slowly but surely. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. Hmm. Let's see the energy attached to you. Let's see what they are up to. You're emotionally confused a little bit. This is somebody who feels like coming towards you. They have a lot of love, they have a lot of passion, but they are behaving like a closed book right now. This person is not responding at all. They are not expressing their feelings at all. They're not saying or they're not doing anything at all in this direction. Even if this person is feeling a lot of love, lot of passion, lot of this energy of coming towards you, talking to you, having a lot of communication with you, having a lot of uh, fun with you. It's like this person is not able to let you go out of their system. I don't know if you guys are together or not, but this person miss you a lot. This person have a lot of feelings for you. This person definitely feels like at least having a communication with you, heart to heart communication with you, in order to let go of something burdensome that they're holding on to, right? This person feels like bringing the balance back in the situation in some way, shape, or form, because this is a highly imbalanced kind of a situation between you and them. At some point of time, this person felt like they are the giver here, and they were just giving and giving and giving, and you were just receiving. And now they are in this energy of not giving anything anymore to the situation, because they feel like they have given enough, they have done enough. They are just holding back, taking back this energy of love and care in the situation. They are like a closed book right now. You will not be able to understand, you will not be able to judge what they are feeling and what they are up to and everything like that. Not seriously. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have, where this connection is going right now. We have the Ten of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Devil. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Swords. This connection is a lot of stressful energies, a lot of drama, a lot of people involved in the situation, maybe from your side, from their side, a lot of might be third party issues or addictions or some kind of unhealthy kind of patterns. This connection right now is not in a very healthy state of relationship, healthy state of energy. So it's better that you guys are giving each other the time and space to heal individually or to let go of the situation, because right now this connection, even if you guys are going to be together or even if you guys are going to connect, this is not going to go well. So this connection right now is heading towards more and more unhealthy kind of attachments, unhealthy kind of energy. So it's like better to take it really slow, or for the time being keep yourself, both of you individually, keep yourself at a distance from each other. Rushing towards the situation or trying to fix the situation right now is not a good idea at all, Virgo, because again the situation is becoming more and more toxic because the way the situation is going right now at this present moment. So letting it go for the time being, giving each other the time and space to individually think about it, understand about it, is a good idea right now. So I think you guys are doing the right thing. So whosoever you are connected to, this person does have the love and the passion and this care of wanting to be with you, but they're holding back this urge because they know that right now is not the right time, or there is a like huge obstacle or challenge that you guys have to um, overcome in order to be together with each other again, or together forever, whatever is applicable in your case. So right now it's very toxic and unhealthy kind of energy, unhealthy kind of attachments. So better to stay away for the time being. This is what I'm getting as the overall energy for this whole connection, this whole scenario. So hope this helps. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.